Introducing the EA Wave Expert Advisor version 3.10 for MT4 unlimited free download. I have been testing this Expert Advisor for the past 1 week, and here is the original product available on the market for nearly $50. So this is the current version and this is the developer here. Though we have some recommendations here. Minimum account balance is $1,000 and the time frame is M30 to H1. So now I will get back to the topic that I am trading this Expert Advisor on one of my VPS $1,000 live account, and right now you are watching this Expert Advisor in its working condition. So what we are doing here, before you leverage this EA in your real trade, you need to know how it actually works, right? So here is everything you need to know. Firstly, I'd say I am using here the GBP USD pair with M15 time frame, though it was recommended on Euro USD, but we have not had any profit on that pair, so we tested it on GBP USD, and after test results, I put it on this VPS. So let's see how it acts on real world. I put this Expert Advisor on 4th of April 2025, and on that day it started selling with 0.01 lot size, and today is 10th of April and I am having a very good amount of profit, nearly $200. It's a very handsome amount of profit, and I will share every single detail. Just wait. Now I'll share the entire profit section. Let's make it. Okay. Just look at it. This EA has been giving me a very good amount of profitable trades, as well as some losing trades like this one and some other, this one and this one. But it's a part. After 1 week, I am having almost 200. Okay. We had some open trades that this EA has closed. Now, here is the twist. My balance amount is currently $1,230.58. But I am having a lot of open trades, and all of these trades are on sale side, and every single trade is running on a huge amount of loss. So what to do now? Now I'll suggest you something, that do not use this kind of Expert Advisors in real trade. If you really want to give it a try it on a demo account first, then only on a small real account. You can try this Expert Advisor on $500 account. It is recommended because see, the performance of this Expert Advisor can really blow your account. So I am showing you what settings I am using right here. This is my input section. I'll give you a quick view. So you can just copy the settings, or else you can customize your settings according to your preferences and needs. This EA works on a lot of pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, and these are the pairs. So you can try it in different pairs with different settings. I'll try to provide you 2 of the set files, one for GBP USD, one for Euro USD. And now I'll tell you how you can get this Expert Advisor. It is available on the market for $50, but you can get it for free from our official website, that is uforex.org. Just find out. I'll give you the link of our official website, and in the description section you will find the Telegram link of our official Telegram group, that is Your Forex Premium. This is the joining link. Join our channel for profitable Expert Advisors, and we always give some free products for our customers. And if you have any trouble, just contact us in our official admin, Your Forex Asia. So after watching this video, please subscribe our channel for more such Expert Advisor and indicators honest review videos. We have our own broker, that is Flexi Market. If you want the link, I'll give it in the comment section and in the description section. Check out.
Additionally, We can crack or unlock any expert advisor that you provide us via our official website yo4x.net or our official Telegram group @yo4xasia. Link is given in the description section. We will give you a pricing to remove the comments, license timing, or unlimited accounts for either MT5 or MT4 or both. Price of the MT5 is higher than the MT4. Thank you.